Yeah, my family, yeah, my friends, yeah, my fans. Today we are do some salt mackerel rundown with boiled food. Yeah, man. Yam banana dumpling, and that is yellow yam, of course. So see it now as me rinse off the salt mackerel and me I make the dumpling. As you see my pot, don't judge my pot. It's years of service. Pot they cook a whole heap of food. That's why it looks so. But anyway, me soon upgrade. Me nah go stainless steel though. Me rather go, what you call the one there? Cast iron. See there? Yellow yam that, you know, you see that? How yellow yam price turn up. Anyway, me eat the yellow yam because them say it make bolt run fast. Yeah, man. So anyway, as I put the yellow yam in the pot with the green banana and also the dumpling. So see then now me I go saute the vegetables for the salt mackerel. Yeah, man. I eat. So see then now as me I saute the vegetables, see then now the pot I come to a conclusion, and the reason why the dumpling looks so is because of the iron from the green banana. Yeah, man. I eat. So see then now as me crush out the pimento and put it in the pot. And I use 1 pack of the Grace coconut powder. I should have used about 1.5 to 2 to get it more rich and creamier, because it wasn't exactly as creamy as I wanted. Nevertheless, the flavor was there, but you don't know with them artificial something or them powder something, I never want to use too much, to be honest. If me have the actual coconut, I would have used a whole heap of coconut juice. Well, anyway, I eat that. Yeah, man. So see them now. I eat that again. Yeah, man. So see them put some OB in it, put some all-purpose in it, and put crushed pimento in it. We put, I think, a little black pepper in it, of course. And vegetable, onion, scallion, garlic, tomato, thyme, sweet pepper, all of them something there. And of course, I put a little pumpkin noodle for flavor and thickness. Yeah, man. So see that? As me I put some gravy on it, I eat that. And if you know about salt mackerel, you know it's greasy. And I never want too much grease. So I'm gonna really put a whole heap of oil in it, in the pot here. So I say, so see with the scotch bonnet on top. Yeah, man, I eat, man. Let me know if you like salt mackerel, if you love salt mackerel. And when last I be ate salt mackerel, as you know, me and no food lad. Only thing more than do, as me say, I add a little more of the powder to get it a little more rich and creamy to enhance the taste more. But me never feel like add more because of the artificialness. Thank you for watching.